Hello students, tomorrow is the biggest day in your life. Why? Because you are going to write your prelims examination. So there are some fears, there are some myths. Like, I did not do my ancient India, I did not do my medieval India. So what I have to do? I missed some science and technology topic. I missed some few of the current affairs. So how I have to move on? So there will be some fear. Obviously the fear will be there. Please keep all the fears aside. Move on. For example, for the economy, how the inflation is important. Some percentage of inflation is important. The economists will tell that there is a requirement of 4 plus or minus 2 inflation should be there. In the same format, yes, there should be some format fear. When there is some form of fear, what will happen? We will be super serious with respect to the examination. That fear, that super seriousness will make us to be alert on the examination day. Believe yourself. You did very well hard work. Awesomely you prepared. Be self-confident. Think yourself you are ready and move on. Don't worry about the topics which you did not do. Don't worry about the tests which you did not do. Don't worry about the test series which you missed. I have my lot of friends. Shiva Prakash, an IPS officer, DCP of Bangalore. He's maybe both prepared together. He did not do any test series. He directly used to write the examination. But still, he cleared all the prelims examination. Myself also, I did my test series, but few test series I missed and few tests I used to give. I also cleared all my prelims examination. So it's all about how you are going to manage the day. How there will be poll management in elections, in the same way there will be examination management on the day. So that 2 hours for GS and that 2 hours for CSAT, how much alert you are, how much you are so much attentive in the examination hall, these all things will be matters. Please be careful. Please be alert. Leave that concept called as FOMO, fear of missing out. You prepared everything. In medieval India, either 2-3 questions you didn't know. Leave it, no problem. If your attempt is up to 80, then you are very good. Your performance is very well. And coming to the CSAT also, it's all about how you are attentive on 230 to 430. So please be calm, be stable, believe in yourself. Don't overestimate tomorrow or don't underestimate yourself. Be very much calm, composed, in a cool manner. 100% I am telling my students, you will be rocking tomorrow. Why? Because it's not only about today, it's all about 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, 2 years of hard work. Tomorrow you are going to execute. You will execute. Believe in yourself. You will clear the examination. All the best. God bless you.